Hey everyone, Blake with RMG Real Estate Network here, and today I am going to share with you the best thing that you've heard all year. Now, chances are you've built your business plan, chances are you've done your New Year's resolutions, chances are you have everything lined out just perfectly, and I'm going to tell you the one-step business plan that will get you what you want. This is the one-step business plan for all the success, for all the glory, for everything that you've been hoping 2024 will deliver for you. So the one-step business plan is very, very simple. All you need to do is execute on the plan that you already have created. And if you're like, well, that's not very insightful, that's not very important, let me share a little insight with you. So right now, if you go to the gym anywhere in the country, you're going to see a lot of people that are fizzling out. They've created a new workout plan and they did the first couple weeks of it, and now they're standing around at the water fountain thinking, you know what? I don't know, my biceps, they don't look as good as I thought they would look. This isn't all that much fun. Maybe I need a new plan. And so everybody's starting to look for new plans at this point, at the gym, in their diets, in their business, right? You might have spent some significant time in December building out this fancy business plan, and right now maybe you're bored of it and you want something new. So the one-step business plan that's going to work is execute. Today, you know what you need to do in order to succeed in your business, and all you have to do is do that. And then wake up tomorrow and do it again, wake up tomorrow, do it again, and just do that each day. Stop with the analysis paralysis. Stop with the, let's go back to the drawing board and create a new business plan. Don't do any of that stuff. Just focus on what you've already created and actually work the plan. And anytime you get bored, anytime you get a little bit restless and think, maybe I need a new plan, this one's not working for me, ask yourself first, did I actually do this plan, or am I just bored and looking for the next new shiny thing that's going to get me what I want? So in a recap, stop recreating the plan, just execute on what you already have. And when you get bored or when you get restless, watch this video again and execute on the plan you have. Hopefully this was helpful for your one-step business plan today.